Tired of looking at commercial solar proposals that don't pencil? Well, you're not alone. This is all too common across the US. In reality, it takes millions of dollars to pay for a commercial solar array. And this type of upfront investment is really hard for a CFO to justify when you have all kinds of other costs eating into your cash flow. That's why we developed a program that eliminates the risk and eliminates the upfront costs contingent you have the tax liability. Instead of that tax liability going to Uncle Sam, you can leverage that towards payments toward the solar array, our proprietary program. This way, cash flow positive by month 1, as you're seeing immediate savings as soon as your solar array is turned on. That reduces your operating costs and it starts giving you that immediate return on investment instead of having to wait 8 to 10 years like you see with a traditional commercial solar proposal. This is because most other proposals require some sort of upfront investment, either a loan from a bank to pay for the system, or you're sharing the tax benefits with a third party and you don't even own the solar array. With our proprietary program, you're going to see immediate cash flow, immediate return on investment because you didn't have to take anything out of the bank or anything cash flow wise to pay for your solar array. Not every business is going to qualify for this program, but that's why we give out free proposals so you guys can see the numbers and really evaluate if this investment's right for your company. So reach out at comsolar.org, fill out our form, and we'll get back to you.